Test, test. Test. Okay. Hello, hello. I'm here a little bit early, earlier than I announced it in the message on the screen, which I can now adjust. Okay, so let's start with the live stream. It's a new week, a new trading week, also of course, and today's Monday, so we have some more trades. Last live stream was on Thursday last week, and on Thursday, actually I don't really know what the trades looked like on Thursday, but I think the last week, Friday was really bad. Okay, Thursday, yeah, this was the big win on Thursday, which was a really, really great day. And then Friday was a totally bad day. two losses in GBP US dollar, and I think USD Japanese yen was also a little bit negative last Friday. Let me check this quickly. Yeah, it was a little bit negative. So this was last Friday. I didn't stream. And today I'm here again to catch up with you guys on the trades, and also have a look at the chat as always, answer some comments or some messages. And please don't be mad at me if I eat in the meantime, because I kind of had a little bit busy day today. Just was visiting friends over the weekend, and then I just came back today and had a 3.5 hour drive already, and then had to do sports and stuff. And now I'm in the office for I think half an hour, so I'm just here for the live stream. So please don't be too hard on me today. So let me have a look at the chat first. Hey Renee. At this point, I want to say hello again to everyone who just joined, and hope you are all doing fine and had a great weekend, and that you are positive for this new trading week. And yeah, actually, nice breakouts today. This is actually looking really nice right now, until now at least. I mean, I don't know what will come next, but so far these breakouts are really great. And again, I'm just here in the office for half an hour, so I don't know anything. I don't know if there were news or something. Let me check this quickly. So I don't know. But if we have a look at the calendar here, I think there were no news. So I don't know why the markets are moving so strong. But I mean, it's great if this trading direction can keep going like this today. Would be really great. 2 trades are open right now. One in GBP USD, second one USD Japanese yen. Both of them have different trading directions, which is good in some way, because both work against the USD. So if GBP USD is weak, USD Japanese yen should be strong if these moves are because of USD. So this is the correlation between these two pairs. So both trades could be really good today, or if the USD gives another impulse in the next minutes, it could of course go into the reverse direction for both of these charts in the next minutes, but we will see this. And then there's a question which language he uses. I always say it's English, but I mean, some people might want to argue on this because my English is not that good. But yeah, I try to speak English. but it's a strong German accent. And if you were talking about programming languages, I speak MQL4 and MQL5 kind of fluently, and then a little bit of Java, and I work with Dart and Kotlin. But yeah, I think my main focus is on MetaTrader programming, so MQL4 and MQL5, if your question was about programming languages. Someone's asking for the best long-term profitable EA. Yeah, I never recommend any EA because I don't know what will be profitable in the future. Also, I like the the comment from one play to fun, because that's always the recommendation I like to give. Just learn programming, write your own programs, and you will have so much more benefit in the long run. You will learn so much about trading and yeah, everything, like in general. Yeah, someone wrote that USD Japanese yen was not moving a lot in the last few days. That's actually true. There was a really long, like, sideways period. We can have a look at this chart here for the last 3 days. So this is kind of the long-awaited breakout here, what we can see right now. And I hope that this can continue for a bit today. But yeah, GBP USD is already reversing. So I mean, we will have to see. There are still 45 more minutes for this trading day. I mean, at least for these charts and strategies, and then the trades will be closed. So they could as well return all the way and be like break even or negative. But yeah, we will just have to wait. But yeah, the USD Japanese yen move is kind of nice right now, and it's the long-awaited breakout from the last like 3 days. What do you feel about adding martingale to your strategy? I thought about it. Actually, I added martingale functions already and tested it. But yeah, back then I was not really satisfied with the results. And it's always the same. Like when you add martingale, it will increase the risk. Also the outcome, of course. But since I want to use this for like real trading, like long-term real trading, I decided against martingale. Hey René, do you know where I can find documentation to create an automatic walk forward metrics for the editor? No, I don't know. No idea. If anywhere, then maybe in the MQL5 forum. You will find a lot of answers in the forum, but I don't know a lot about your specific like question or topic. Yeah, sorry for the eating noises. I just checked the audio and it's actually really loud. Yeah, sorry. Didn't really have the time to eat before the live stream. But yeah, maybe I will just turn off the microphone in a second for some seconds so I can eat my carrot and I don't have to make you hear it. Can I use Python instead of MQL4 and MQL5? I never did this, but Python actually is integrated in the MetaTrader programming at this point, so I think you can use it. Let me check the comments here. Machine learning possible in MQL5? Yeah, sure. As I just said, Python is integrated, so Python has all the machine learning libraries and stuff, so you will be pretty happy with it, I think. Hello, René. Please, is MetaQuote language a framework of C++? MetaQuote's language is like its own programming language, but like the syntax and everything, it is really strongly oriented and based on C++. So if you, yeah, it's like really, really super similar. Waka Waka good EA. Waka Waka is a typical martingale EA, so it's a high risk, high reward. Depends on your if you want to take risks, then you can use it. But I think like for the money, it's not a good EA because it's like just invest some time, do your own, just learn programming. Like writing a martingale EA is super easy. You don't have to invest like 1.5K in to buy one single EA that will probably not make you happy in the long run. Unbalanced parentheses in your code means that you do not have matching. Oh. You do not have matching opening and closing brackets. So you either have more opening brackets or more closing brackets. And for every opening bracket, you will need exactly one closing bracket in your code. So you should check for this. That's usually the error message that you get if you mess up your brackets. I don't know if you can use Python for EAs that you want to publish in the MQL5 market. Yeah, I also think it's limited to MQL because you cannot use DLLs and stuff in the EAs that you want to use for the market. So this will probably not work with the Python libraries, I think. But I never tested this, so maybe you can find it in the forum, like the answer for your question. Do you work with AI? No. Afternoon, René, did you self-learn how to build Expert Advisor, or did you get taught? Because you're really good. I am self-taught, but I learned it mainly with YouTube tutorials and a lot of research, like in forums and stuff. So it's a mix, if you want to say so. But I didn't like learn it like from one specific person. And also I didn't study like software engineering or stuff. I just learned it on on my own. The regular live streams are great. My EA I made in the help of your channel is doing good. I want to prop firm challenge. Yeah, I hope that you are able to pass your prop firm. But I'm glad that you learned something on this channel and that you write your own EAs at this point. Yeah, I just answered the unbalanced parentheses question. You have to fix your brackets, like opening and closing brackets. They have to match. Is this EA currently your best among very many you've coded? Yeah, like on a long-term live account, this is currently the best EA, I think, that I coded. But I didn't test too many strategies like over multiple years, just a few. I mean, if you have questions in MQL5 or about programming, just ask, just go for it. But I can't really provide any one-on-one coding support. It's just not possible at this point because too many people are asking me for it. So there are some more questions. What profit factor should a strategy have in order to be considered good? Actually, I mean, my answer will disappoint you, but I personally think if it has a profit factor which is above 1 on a live account, for me, it's a good strategy. Because from my experience, whenever a strategy makes more wins than losses, it's good. And for all of the guys who are saying you need a profit factor like 2 or 3, it's mostly with high-risk strategies that have a lucky period and which cannot really be profitable in the long run. So just be happy if you don't lose money. And trading in general, because trading is it's not that easy, like people want to tell you. The 100K account is a FTMO challenge account, so it's not a real account, it's a demo account. All of the accounts that like the 3 accounts that I juggle here in the live stream, they're all of them are FTMO challenge accounts. So none of them are real money accounts. Can you make a video about using CUDA in EA backtesting? I have no idea what this is, so probably not. But maybe you can explain it, what CUDA is, or CUDA. I write the code that if we are in a buy position and our position profits are equal, blah, blah, blah. Maybe you forgot to consider the commissions for your trades. I don't know. And maybe that's why you lose money when you close trades in profit. I don't know your code, so it's hard to answer. But if you check the profit of the position and it's above 0 and it still generates a loss, then it's probably because you forgot to calculate with the commissions or swaps and stuff. Yeah, I mean, it also could be because of slippage, but yeah. Yeah, if you did it in the test, it's probably commission. So looking at the charts, we can see a GBP, USD, was a little bit higher, now a little bit lower, which is great. And USD Japanese yen is unfortunately coming down a little bit. But we still have like 30 more minutes to go here until the trades will be closed. So I'm still positive that there can be some more moves maybe also in the right direction, like right for my trades. Yeah, if you test in the strategy tester and you don't have any commission or latency, then your code is messed up. Because if you close a position in profit and it's not generating a profit, it was probably not closed in profit. So maybe check your code. I don't know. I can't say a lot here without any information on your code. Is trading my main source of income? No, it's not. What could be the problem with my code? It's writing unbalanced. Bro, I answered it like 2 times. You have to check your brackets, like this kind of stuff, and this, and maybe even this. Like all of these brackets, they have to be matching. Like for every opening bracket, you need a closing bracket. So please just check your code and find the missing bracket. Okay, about CUDA, it's to use a graphic card for calculations. Actually, I have no idea how to do this, so I don't know. Never worked with it. I'm not a big expert when it comes to hardware, so yeah, maybe not the best person to ask. Can you make money selling EAs in the MQL5 market? Yeah, I mean, if you are selling something, you can make money. That's pretty much the principle of selling something. So I don't really understand the question. If you're asking if you can make a lot money, yes. I mean, you can have a look at it yourself. Like, if you open the MQL5 market, you will see, okay, it's not visible right now, but sometimes if you have a look at some products, like next to the name here at the right, you will see how many copies of the EA were sold in this specific month. And for this EA, the last days, it was always like 60 to 70. So with this single EA, he makes like 100K, like gross revenue per month. So I think this could be considered making good money in the MQL5 market. So yeah, you can make actually a lot more money selling EAs than trading EAs in most cases. I mean, depends on like your account and leverage and stuff, you get it. How can you predict when a recession takes effect? I don't know, but if you figure out a method to predict this, let me know, because it's printing money. Oh, and the markets are doing good stuff here lately in the last minutes. GBP USD is coming down a little bit. USD Japanese yen is going up a little bit. So that's exactly what I want to see. Maybe it can keep pushing like this a little bit further. Would be great. There was still 27 minutes left to trade here. Okay, there are some more questions. Where can I communicate with you? I mean, you just did. So probably here on YouTube is a good good place to be if you want to speak to me. Can I trust a strategy profitable in the past years but struggles in the previous year? I mean, it's always like the same question pretty much that you have to ask yourself. Do you believe that this strategy can be profitable in the future? Do you think there's a logical concept to it? And if you think so, then you might try it. But I mean, nobody can predict the future, so you can never really trust a strategy 100% because it's like trading is always high risk. So yeah, there's never a guarantee for anything. You should do a video showing us how to code background picture, bro. It's sure to get more likes. Like, do you mean background pictures for the chart or what background pictures? I don't know if this, I mean, it's not really beneficial for like trading, is it? Hi René, I'm trying to import my data from the backtest into TradeBuddy, but I get an error. Do privilege native method. Ooh. I don't know. It says attempt to write a read-only database. Oh, yeah, that's probably because you don't have admin rights. You please make sure that you, first of all, that you have admin rights in the folder where the TradeBuddy is located, and also you can try to right-click the TradeBuddy and start as admin or run as admin, and this should or could fix the problem because. In order to like create the database and fill it with data, you need admin rights, or the program needs administrator rights. So this could fix it. Also, just moving the TradeBuddy.exe file to the desktop usually fixes this problem. And yeah, but still, like right-clicking and running the program as an administrator, it's always a good idea to get rid of this, access problems. Are there any strategies you have selling more copies on the MQL5 marketplace? Are there any strategies you have selling more copies? Like more copies than what? I have some EAs in the MQL5 market, and I mean you can see my profile. It's public, and I also made some videos about it. Like when I started selling in the MQL5 market, you can just check it out on the channel, and you will find them. They are still online, and they will also be online in the future, I think. So just check the videos if you are interested in like sales numbers, what's realistic, what kind of revenue you can generate there. Hi René, today I was thinking about the cons of using the bars count. If you shut down the computer, this information is lost. Those I either have to format date into a double or I don't shut my PC down. I have to format date into a double. Don't really understand, but I mean, I don't know what your code looks like. Like the bars count, I usually only use the bars count when I try to figure out if there's a new bar. But like when the PC crashes and you restart, there's usually not really a problem with it. Also, if you don't want to lose your data when your PC or MetaTrader crashes, you can always save it to an external file and then just read it when the EA is restarted. This will also work. Is it easy to sell EAs on the marketplace without advertising? I don't know, because since I have like the YouTube channel and stuff, I can always make advertising like really easily. But I think it's really hard actually to sell in the market if you don't make any advertising. I mean, you should at least go ahead and post it in forums and tell people about it, because there are so many EAs in the MQL5 market. Why should someone buy your EA specifically? So I think without advertising, yes, I think it's hard. And there's some crazy move here in GBP USD, or at least it pushed below this low. And since we are all strong in the smart money concept chart analysis, this is a safe indicator that it will go down even further. Irony off, but it would be great. Okay, guys, let me have a look at some more of these comments here in the chat. So, hi René, today I was thinking about, okay, I answered this. Is it easy to, I answered this. I have bought the course. Nice. Glad to hear that. And I hope you like the course. But actually, I'm kind of confident that you will like it because you will learn so much about MetaTrader 5 programming. So it's really cool that you take this step and that you want to like lift your programming and trading business on a like serious level. So yeah, hope you get along with the contents and that you will be able to write your own EAs soon. So most of the top-selling EAs in the MetaQuartz markets are resolved around martingale or grid. Yeah, a lot of them. But it's actually easy to figure out. If you just test them with a free demo, yeah, you will just see it in a second if it's a martingale or grid program. And then you can decide if you're cool with it or if you're not. But a lot of the EAs use these mechanisms, of course, because it kind of guarantees like a stable equity curve, which is stable until it like crashes. But most of the time it should be stable. can you run this EA on US30? You can run every expert advisor on every symbol pretty much. The question is just if it's profitable. And if this was the question, I don't know. In the strategy tester, it is profitable, but I didn't really do a lot of live testing in US30 or other index markets. There are some more nice moves here. Another short attack here in the GBP USD. A long move in USD Japanese yen. Would be so great if these moves could continue just a little bit and then like at least for the next 12 minutes, because then the trades are closed and this would be a really good trading day. Would be really happy, but yeah, still 12 minutes left, so I have to wait a little bit longer. Do you personally know one algo trader who lives from it? No, I don't. But actually, I don't know a lot of traders at all, so this is not really surprising. Like I don't really have a lot of like personal contact with other traders, and most people that I know that have a lot of money and which mostly comes from like from business profits in general, they just invest in general. So I don't know a lot of people who really do this typical short-term trading, with at least not with large funds. Do you live off EAs alone? No, I don't. I mean, I just like. Do you mean from EAs like trading or selling, or like I don't live off of trading? Just answered this some seconds ago. But these trades are actually looking kind of fine. So maybe I will change I will have to change my answer in the future, and then I might live off of trading. So there are around 7 minutes left, and yeah, trades are still looking great. I mean, it came down a little bit, like both of these trades, but it still will be still really, really good result for the trading day. And yeah. Which programming language are your favorites? I just use MQL4 and MQL5. Right now, I prefer MQL5 or the MetaTrader 5 over the MetaTrader 4. And yeah, besides this, I don't really use a lot of different programming languages. Just a little bit of Java and Kotlin, but I'm not really good with other programming languages because what I do on a daily basis is writing code for the MetaTrader. So that's what I'm good at. But other programming languages, I mean, I can use a bunch of programming languages, but I'm not that confident with other programming languages besides the MetaTrader ones. Hi René, I bought your courses. After study your course 3 weeks, I decided to study CS50 by Harvard. Is it an online course? Is it, I think CS is computer science, right? And learn Python first. Do you think that approach is better than direct study your course? It depends on what you want to do. I mean, if you want to write code for the MetaTrader, it's better to start with the MetaTrader masterclass and learn how to write code for the MetaTrader. But if you want to learn like how to write Python scripts, you should learn Python first. So like the answer to any question which points like into the direction, like what programming language should I learn, like and stuff like this, it's always, the answer is always, you have to decide what you want to do with it, because every programming language, every like framework, every sandbox of what you can program, it always has, or it usually has one specific purpose, where it's good at, where it's strong at, and why you want to use this programming language. So if you want to write code for the MetaTrader, you should learn how to write code for the MetaTrader. If you want to learn Python to write, for example, machine learning algorithms and stuff, you should learn Python. So that's pretty much the answer, and the order in which order you want to learn, and it's kind of up to you. So. And also, I don't really know what this CS50 by Harvard is. If it is a live seminar, if it's a complete study, like if you have to go there for multiple years, or if it's just like a short-term thing. So this makes it hard for me to really give you a good answer. You mean like selling EAs, using EAs, etc., etc. Is it enough for you to not need a job? I mean, it is my job, so I would not consider myself unemployed or jobless. But yeah, my job is actually what I do here right now, like sitting in front of the PC and talking about trades in a challenge demo account in a live stream. That's my job, which is kind of funny if I say it like this, but it's my job. And yeah, besides this, I mean, I sell like the programming course. I have income from like selling programming courses. I have income from selling EAs. I make some money trading EAs. I make money investing. I have like properties, like real estate, which I want to say. So it's different income sources that I have right now. But I don't work a typical 9-to-5 job, and I don't have to like report to someone or something. If this is the question. Hey, let me say, for example, you have a bullish engulfing pattern. The price goes up and then comes down to the zone of bullish engulfing pattern. I want to execute a buy trade. How can I automate? Just do what you just wrote. I mean, you have to write the code for it. It's not really easy for me to answer this in one sentence, and it's probably not the best format here to give you a answer. I mean, I can't like tell you the code here in the stream because I would have to like work it out and stuff. But I just learn programming. Honestly, just learn the basics. Really, you should just invest a little bit of work, a little bit of effort, and learn programming. And this will, like in the long run, it's so beneficial. And you will be able to, all of these strategies, you will be able to automate them if you just learn programming. And so this is the best way to, or the easiest and safest way to be successful with this programming and trading stuff. To just invest some energy. And if you're all, it's not a good strategy to just ask people like me for easy and quick solutions because it's not good at all to be dependent on others in the long run. So we have 1 minute and 5 seconds left for these trades. It's still looking good. Still at a very good point, these trades. I mean, it was a little bit better before, but I mean, it's still a great trading day if they will be closed at this point. Like the other accounts with a variable lot size made even more profit than this one, and yeah, this made also some profits. Yeah, but still, like I think in total, December was not a good month so far, but yeah, we will see. There are still some trading days left. Also, I will trade all the month, like also on Christmas holidays and stuff, because the tests have shown that it's not really good to like turn off the EAs during or between Christmas and New Year's Eve and stuff. But I will monitor it a little bit. So if the spread is too big with FTMO, I will maybe turn off the EAs for some days, but I don't have experience yet with trading over the Christmas holidays with FTMO, so I will have to figure this out. Okay, and the trades are closed and the market is falling. But yeah, still great trades today, really good trading day. This was 1% profit in the 100K account, and then this should also be 1% here. Even a little bit more, yeah, because USD Japanese yen is a little bit different. GBP USD is a little bit different, like the range. So the profits here were even bigger. It's about 1.2%. And in this fixed lot size account, the profit was 0.7%. But still, yeah, great trading day. I'm really happy. Really good start into the new trading week. So that's pretty much it. So I will just read your comments and then end the live stream, I think. And yeah, thanks to you guys for being here, for watching the streams, for supporting the project here with the FTMO accounts. So let me check the latest messages. I do know programming, but I'm struggling with MQL5 triggers. What do you mean? What do you mean with triggers? But I mean, if you are a programmer, it should be super easy to pick up MQL5 programming, because MQL5 programming is, compared to any other programming language, at least in my opinion, like super easy, because it's so limited. You only have some operations like buying, selling and stuff, so it's not really complex. So just invest some time and you will pick it up easily if you're a programmer. In general, I think EAs are a great way to get into algo trading, yes, but to get advanced into algo trading, I think it's necessary to switch to Python because of the wide range of libs for algo trading. Yeah. I mean, would be possible. I can't say a lot about this. I watched the video where you were explaining the strategy. I want to ask, is the time range fixed from 3 to 11? I was using a timing from 4 to 12:30. I uploaded, like, check the latest videos on the channel. Like a month ago or 3 weeks ago, I uploaded videos where I showed backtests for GBP USD and USD Japanese yen, and these are still the settings that I use. So you can see everything in these videos. Machine learning is a very interesting thing, blah, blah, blah. Okay, can you show your equity on FTMO? Yeah, this is the last thing that I will do, maybe for one account or so, but I showed it in every live stream, so you can just watch it there. So for these accounts, let me get it on the screen here quickly. So we have not this one. We have this account here, which is 10K and variable lot size, I think. So yeah, you can see the equity here. It's 1% up now, or 0.9%. And yeah, that's it. Then we have the second account, which is the 10K 0.1 fixed lot size account, which is currently the best one, which is up roughly over 1%. And yeah, USD Japanese yen is still performing better than GBP US dollar. And we have the last account, which is the bigger one, which is a 100K account, which is negative right now because I started this one like 2 weeks later than the other ones and was missing some profitable trades in the first days. So this is down 0.4%. And this is also better in USD Japanese yen than GBP US dollar. So yeah, that's a little summary of the FTMO metrics, and that's it for today. So I will just wish you guys a really beautiful evening or day or morning or wherever you live in the world. And thanks again for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I will see you next time with another video on the channel, I guess, and then I will probably be live again on Thursday. But yeah, I will let you know. So thanks for watching, and yeah, have a great day. Bye-bye.